Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Recently I came across these shoes online and I thought of recreating it using this old pair of shoe. First I gently washed the shoe, but still the border looked dull, so I'm going to paint it using acrylic color. Once the paint has dried, I have taken net fabric along with some half beads, some sequins and a thread and needle. Run the thread through the needle and keep ready. Then cut out a piece of net fabric and fold as shown. Stitch in the middle and pull the thread. Gently tie a knot. In this way we get a nice bow here. Then glue a sequin to the bow. In the same way I have made another piece. Then using a strong glue, glue this to the shoe as shown. Then apply glue and stick the half beads to the shoe. As you can see, we have turned a normal shoe into a fancy one in just a few steps. So I hope you all like this DIY. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.